Hey guys, it's Beth with Rockstar Reviews. We're going to review an amazing product today. Take it away, Adam.
Thanks, Beth. Today we're going to look at a really fun product. It's called a grill pig. And these are silicone heat-resistant gloves that we're going to try out. They're obviously made for your barbecue grill. I'm going to try them out picking a pizza out of my oven. I think the fun thing about these is that they're a really well-designed, good-looking set of gloves. So they've got a skull and crossbones on them, and I don't know, they're just neat. So you ready to kick it off? Let's do that right about now. So I tried them out on this overcooked pizza today. Oven set to about 425, so it's plenty hot, and I'm holding onto the gloves, and they actually do start to get a little bit hot after holding them for 6 or 7 seconds. When I put them down, they were starting to get hot. So for looks, I absolutely give them a 10 out of 10. They're really neat looking. I have big hands, I'm 6'2", 200 plus pounds, and they're a little tight on me. And overall heat resistance, I give them maybe a 5 or 6 out of 10. I've definitely worn some cloth oven mitts that are similar, some that are better, some that are worse. So I'm not going to say that they're a bad heat resistance, but they're not perfect as well. Actually, I think they'd make a very good Father's Day gift, or just a gift for Dad on his birthday, maybe your son, some bachelor. I'll put a link in the description below. Go ahead and check them out. They're pretty neat. Thanks for watching. We're Rockstar Reviews.
Welcome to Rockstar Reviews. This channel will showcase some really cool health, fitness, fashion, and beauty products. Like this.
Check it out. There's a link in the description.
Please take a moment, check out our videos, and subscribe for new videos coming out all the time.
Hey, why don't you subscribe to my channel? Thank you.
Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe for new videos every week and comment below with suggestions for new video topics.